So we've got a care package from FCP Euro.
Yes, sir. So we got a bunch of stuff for the engine for my car. We're gonna do a reseal on it. We're gonna do a fuel pump, engine mounts, tranny mounts, and a bunch of other random bushings and stuff.
Well, I guess we decided to manual swap it while refreshing the engine.
Yes. I still need to order a clutch and a clutch line though to complete the manual swap. But we're getting there. Every coolant line. What the hell is this? I didn't order this. A tie rod.
They just give you one random ass tie
I
rod.
guess so. Moses.
Alright, so we will cut to once we get. No.
Okay, so we got a full gasket kit for the head, both belts, block reseal kit, PCV system for cold weather, some intake stuff, a bunch of trans seals and maintenance parts for the transmission, some trans mounts. I got every pulley because this engine has 215,000 miles and it needs some love. I also got every coolant hose for the engine. There's a bunch. There's a vacuum line in there somewhere. And a coolant temp sensor as well.
And then we got the tranny and then the pedals and random bits and knobs for the manual swap, as you guys can see.
Some transmission mounts, stuff like that. You know. Also, shout out to Oz Garage for letting me have this HVAC piece. I need these buttons real bad. Okay, I also, somewhere in here, have a Detents kit for my manual transmission. And I have the tools as well. And a oil pump nut. What are they called?
I don't know, but we'll show you. I can't remember right now.
The drilled oil pump nut for BMW oil pumps. They tend to back off and cause damage to your engine. So, and then here's the Detents kit for my transmission. And then if you peek in there, there's a bunch of tools. You have to buy them. So, bullshit. Other pieces. I also have the front grille mesh for my front bumper, and I also have. Why am I saying it like that? I'm weird. And I also got the rear diffuser for my car.
Take her in all her filth. That was rude.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so the seats need some love. You guys should see the driver one.
It's green.
Don't know why, but I could definitely do some magic on this thing. I'm a little intimidated.
Look how dirty it is by my pedal.
Oh, dude, this thing's gonna be fun. So yeah, I don't think this thing's ever been detailed since,
Pretty much forever.
because after I detail this thing, it's gonna be dude, buffing all this shit's gonna suck.
I like the tonneau cover.
God damn.
All right. Today we're gonna be doing the Detents kit for this ZF 5-speed trans that I picked up not too long ago, and do some other wear items at the same time while we're in theirs, and see if we can't clean up some of the slop we got going on. So fix that fifth gear lean as well. Or is it? Or is it? No, the pivot pin goes inside here. Okay, that's where it sits. It is a plastic one though, so that's not good. to the bin. There's that little foam bushing for the selector rod. I believe that is a selector rod seal. I think it's the no. That's the input shaft seal, I believe. Oh yeah. Easy money. Shout out to Ryobi. Ow. It's leaking, Pete. Like, oh, out of whatever that is. Oh. No, I don't know what that is. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh yeah.
We'll be
Easy
back.
money. Alright. So we're gonna start with the shift pins. Located here, here, and here. To get the caps off, we're gonna have to drill some wood screws in there and then pull them off with like some pliers or something. We'll figure it out. I bought a slide hammer for this, so should work. Nah, that's not working. Got a nice little hole. I'm gonna drive it by hand actually, I think. These might be too skinny. Oh, that's gonna be tough. Yeah! Yes, sir! Cool. That hurt?
No.
So we know that works. That's what you want right here. I think you can reuse this spring. If you have to. I recommend replacing it. These do shoot out, so be careful.
Feels like I know what I'm doing.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna clean you up, baby girl. That didn't work. We need a magnet. Do I have a magnetizer? Oh. You see me react like it has recoil? Clean as it's gonna get until we pressure wash it. So, better than it was. All right. Okay.
Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. So I think gotta take out the snap rings, which I've never done before. What the fuck?
I'm a mechanic.
Duh.
Travel also. You got new ones, right?
I think so.
Let's hope. Okay, I don't know if that's gonna shoot out.
Here we go.
Made for punching. Oh, you jumped.
Well,
Gonna leak it all. Yeah, jammer in there. Jammer.
Oh, he's gonna piss.
We gotta find a bucket. Oh, we popped it up.
Well, that was easy. Yeah, hopefully I don't snap this thing.
Like a small brass punch would be.
Preferred. Okay.
Get her out of there.
Has not come out yet.
Like fold
Okay.
one in completely.
But how? Boom. Just had a mangler up real quick. They just said to take fine grit sandpaper and throw it on a socket and then and you should be good. It's kind of a nice little burn there though. Some
Lubrication.
yeah, just in case. Just in case. Is that looking straight?
Be his eyes, Roman.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, got a little cocked. If you could go like. Oh yeah, go. Yeah.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Helps to have the right tool.
Yes, it does.
Oh, oh.
Just gonna drop it in facing the drain plug. Should just
Nice.
doesn't matter which way it goes. And then cap and then snap ring. Someone's gonna have to push in with like a
With
extension
yeah.
or something. Come on. It looked way easier on
Shut you in there. Did you do this one already?
there. No.
Oh.
Woo!
This is kind of awkward. Yes. Oh, are we in there? Do you want to get the socket and then?
Yeah,
I'll
just
just
give her a
tap
tap.
it in there.
Is that?
I don't know.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Is that wide enough?
We're in.
Is that it?
That's it.
Hell yeah.
We're in there, baby. Yep, we're good.
D10. D10.
And
Woohoo.
now you gotta do it again.
Numero dos.
Hold on, would you go?
Got a whaler.
Smash.
They were just watching that documentary yesterday. And they're like, do you know who Kai is? And I was like, fuck yeah, I know who Kai is. Grew up on the internet.
Oh, yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice.
That's it.
God.
Once again. Going in facing down. Ready?
No. I think we're gonna have to push in again.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let go.
Just give her a quick little. encouragement.
There we go. Alright. So fifth and reverse are done. Good thing I bought these tools.
We'll get this thing done.
Alright, picking back up from where we left off. I got a smaller magnet. Hopefully they can fit into these holes and pull these shift pins out. Oh! They got like resistance to it. There she blows. One. Two.
Hang on, Danny. Though.
Let's go.
Damn.
Oh, am I crooked?
Oh, yeah.
I think that's it. You can hear it. You can hear when you're done. Alright. Now we're going to put the shift pin into the new, what do you call that? That middle piece. The little spacer thing we just put in there. That comes with the detent kit. And all these are pointing left. Pro tip, I guess. Then we're going to put our spring in there and then we're going to cap it.
Oh, that was weird.
This one's fighting me. Yeah, that's good.
So that's it, huh?
Yeah, the detents are done. Alright, so now we're going to do the selector rod joint bushing. It lives inside of this thing. We got to pop this like clip off. I think there's a bar that goes through, and then we just swap them out. Let me get a pick, actually. I don't even know how to get this off, actually. Ooh, fuck. It's hard. Oi. It's under a lot of tension, though, so I think we can reuse it. Oh! Oh no! That's supposed to be this. It is completely disintegrated. I like this one. Maybe. Part of it. Oh god.
So we ended up having a little issue with that little bushing seal. We had a little bushing with that seal. So we're currently we're ripping off the end of the transfer case.
That's it, right? Are there gonna be sealer right here?
No, I don't think so. So, unfortunate ending. We couldn't get the transfer case off because we need some
Tools.
tools. Thank you. So this is just a how to do your detents on a BMW 5-speed ZF 320. we will be fully disassembling this and hopefully getting that seal out from the inside, pushing it out. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys.